several youngsters have kept aside their professional ambitions to stand in solidarity with the protesting farmers. And NDTV's Sonakshi Chakrabarti met with one of them, a 29-year-old Navkiran Nath, who belongs to the Mansa district in Punjab, who has a degree in film studies and has been spending the last 3 months at the Tikri border. She asked her why.
Navkiran Nath, thank you for speaking to us. You have a story that could inspire many youngsters to really tell them that there is a reason why youngsters are keeping aside their professional ambitions and joining the protesting farmers in solidarity. What inspires you to do this?
I guess this is our moral responsibility. When nothing is going right, we can't sit silently in our homes or in our safe spaces, or it's not like we don't have anything else in our life. It's not like we are velle, but I guess this is more important at the movement which we are doing, because it's not just about the farmers. Even in the past we have witnessed how young people, they don't have basic education, and people like me who are graduated from various colleges or universities, from many prestigious institutes of this country, they don't have any job. They are unemployed, and now here comes the farmers. The government is trying to grab their land, or they are trying to monopolize the whole agricultural system. So I think now we can't keep silent anymore.
The Bhagat Singh Library, this library was solely built for the farmers. Tell us a little bit about that. Why did you think it was necessary to build a library, जबकि यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग protest कर रहे हैं? You chose to build a library for them. What was the importance and significance behind that?
One thing is, any initiative which we started on the protest is not a singular initiative. It's not only me. We are a set of people. We collectively started these initiatives. There's a big team behind this. Second, all the people who are part of these initiatives, we are on the morchas from day one, and we were realizing that these protest sites are basically temporary cities for the farmers away from their actual villages or cities. So I think these temporary cities also need all the amenities we witness in any other city.
What is your message to the youngsters? Again, what would you like to tell them?
I have a privilege of growing up in an activist family. I'm seeing farmers protest from the age of say 5, 6, and I also went to jail once in one agitation in Chandigarh and faced custodial beating at that time. So yes, we are going through all this from a long time now, and you can say we are Andolan Jeevis from a long time. But I guess that's not something our sole goal in the life, but that's our duty.